So this is where the automated strategy comes in, which I've built a program for. So just give you a nutshell what happens. So you create an initial position under an epic, so a unique position. That's what IG calls these unique instruments. Then you generate the signal, which is basically finds peaks, so whether it's a high low, um, and then you close these increments based on if you whether or not if you're in a profit or whether it's above or a certain requirement. So let's run the program and hopefully it makes a profit. It takes a while, so I'll just time lapse this bit to show you what goes on. Let me check there's no breakpoints. Might slow it down. Uh, don't want that. Don't want that. Okay, you can see up here the position's been created and we'll just let it work. Okay, so on review of the time lapse, you can see it did make a profit, a small one at that. Um, I would say as a conclusion, it really does depend on the instrument you use in tandem with this algorithm. You would want an instrument that bounces up and down so that you place your long and short positions in the middle of them, of the peaks of the high peaks and the low peaks, to ideally have your positions exit out in both a profit for the long and the short. Somewhere it was somewhere in the lines of 200 margin or 400 margin, and the profit for this was £1.85. So it doesn't seem very feasible, but I would say it depends on the instrument used. Okay, so that wraps up this algorithm. If you want a deep dive of how that algorithm works, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching.